Okay, welcome. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I use Zoom to tutor online. So, let's open up Zoom. Let's create a new meeting. In this meeting, I will not be joining with my face cam on. So once you're at this screen, as you can see, there's nothing here. There's nothing that I can show. So once I invite my students, right? This is just me in this meeting for now, but I can invite people. I can copy this invitation. I can send it through email, and then they can join through their email on their computer. So I use OneNote. So I can open this OneNote file, and I scribbled on it. Let's erase that. So I have OneNote open, but I want to show them this OneNote file, so I should share my screen. So I'm going to share my screen through OneNote. Press share. Now the student and me will be able to see the screen. For example, one lesson that I had one student send me their homework file. So this is a PDF file. I've pasted it onto this OneNote, and we went through it together to ensure that this student understood the concepts that were trying to be given in this lesson. So now the tricky part is when people first start out wondering how do they online tutor, they want to know how they can draw. They want to know how they can write. How can I write on this? So of course you can go to draw, and you can try and use your mouse pad, right? That's not very helpful though, because it's not very accurate. So I have a pressure pad that I use, and you can see that it's much more accurate than trying to write with a mouse. It would be almost impossible for me to write with a mouse. So trying to delete everything that I just did, but as you can see, it's just clean. It's straight to the point. The student can follow along. It makes sense, right? It's easy, straight to the point. This is how I would tutor online. I use Zoom. The good thing about Zoom is that it's free. As of right now, it's free for one-on-one meetings. But I think if you have more than one person in your meeting, it will cut you off at 40 minutes because it wants you to pay. So it's free. It's free to do a one-on-one lesson. So that's the good thing about it. And a lot of schools are using it. Obviously, I know there's some security issues, but that's mainly with big classrooms, with people sharing invitation links. But when it's just me and you, right, as a student, you wouldn't want to share your link of your math tutor's lesson, right? But that's just a little ramble. But yeah, this is how I tutor online. It's pretty simple. It's just Zoom and sharing the screen with OneNote. I know Zoom does have their own whiteboard that you can use, but OneNote has so many other use cases that I can do, like inserting this PDF file, inserting tests. I can insert tests. This is a student's test. I can insert that, right? There's just so many applications in OneNote. I can insert, graphs, right? I can insert a Cartesian axis. So just a lot of applications to OneNote that are superior to the Zoom whiteboard. In addition, I can also, for example, if I go to Google, I can go to Desmos, and I can also screen share on Desmos. Alright. So Desmos is just a graphing calculator. As you can see, I can pull this up. Y equals 6x, right? And I can screen share this with the students as well. So let's see here. If I wanted to screen share this, I would have to go to new share and go to Desmos and hit share. So now it's screen sharing on Desmos instead of the OneNote. So the student would be able to see what I'm doing. Can make that a quadratic equation, right? So yeah, that's basically all I wanted to show you guys. And if you need to contact me, if you want me to tutor someone, you can email me. Please email me. You can email me at jawmathtutoring@outlook.com. I'll link that down in the description. So yeah, so please email me if you want me to do some lessons with you guys if you guys don't understand some concepts. Alright, well, thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, all of those things. Alright, bye bye now.